Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about the concept of isometric drawing in AutoCAD. You can see that when I create a drawing, this is a normal drawing. Isometric drawing is different from 3D drawing. We will find that out soon. So to switch to the isometric drawing part, all we have to do is go to the object snap settings from this point. I will click on this 2D snap option, create object snap settings. Now from this, you have this option or tab here that says snap and grid. I will click on this. As soon as you click on this, we have this option over here that says snap type. Now currently the snap type is set to the grid snap and grid snap is set to the rectangular snap. When I click on this isometric snap, our drawing part will change into isometric drawing view. So I will click on this isometric snap and click OK. Now you can observe that the cursor is changed and also the grids are changed to isometric view. Now let's try by drawing a line. Now either I can draw in this direction and in this direction. If I try to draw it vertically, I cannot do that. To switch between this vertical direction, all I have to do is press the function key and F5 or F5 if you are just using a system. So I press F5. Now I can draw vertical line. Again, if I want to draw horizontal lines, I have to press F5 to switch between the view like this. So let's say I will create 2 units of line like this. I will move to another horizontal view, create 2 units of line this. I will again create 2 units of line in this. Now I will again switch to 2 units over here. Now if I want to draw this in that direction, I cannot. To do that, I will again click on this F5 and do this like this. I'll take the snap from reference from here and draw horizontal line. Now I cannot draw this easily without changing the snap options. So you can toggle between these 2 views in isometric by pressing F5 like this and horizontal and vertical direction. Like this, you can draw various other shapes in isometric drawing. I will finish this drawing cube. So we draw a cube here. You see, I cannot draw currently horizontal lines. So I will press F5 and I can toggle between horizontal and vertical line axis in isometric drawings. So say I will draw a line around this reference. Okay, and I will join this. We drew a cube. Now, previously we talked that the isometric view and 3D view are totally different. So if I try to rotate this axis, you can see that we draw a 2D drawing only, but it looks like 3D, means it is isometric. If I go to the top view, this will look like it is a 3D object, but actually it is nothing but a 2D object that is drawn in 3D view, means it is an isometric drawing. You can see this like this. So this is all about isometric drawing and concept of isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Thank you.